Here is what a scene list might look like for a really simple project. In this case, I'm going to start with an exterior of the school itself, and the purpose of that is going to be establish the setting where this movie is taking place in a high school. The next scene is going to take place in a lunchroom, in a cafeteria, and in that scene we're going to establish the character of Linda. We're also going to establish the character of Susan. They're going to be sitting next to each other having a conversation, and this is where we're going to learn about Linda's conflict. She's going to talk to Susan about this problem that she's having of trying to get Joe to notice her. The next scene is going to take place in various hallways throughout the building, and that's where we're going to establish the Joe character. He's going to be surrounded by all of his friends, and we're going to show that he just doesn't notice Linda at all. She's going to look sad, she's going to be following around maybe, missed connections perhaps in the hallway. By the end of this scene, we're really going to get that Joe and Linda are in totally different worlds here, and Linda's not happy in her world. All right, the next scene we're going to take place is in a couple of bedrooms. We're going to have Linda in her bedroom and Susan in hers, but I'm listing it as one scene because they're going to be talking with each other on the phone. We're going to cut back and forth between the two of them while they're each sitting in their rooms talking on the phone. In this scene, we're going to show how sad Linda is, and we're going to have Susan give her some advice, and really they're going to talk about what's going on. The next scene is going to take place in the park, and it's just going to be Linda by herself. She's going to be walking, and in this scene, while she's walking in the park and just looking around, she has this great insight, and she's going to learn that, you know, liking herself on the inside is the most important thing of all, and who she is really is not who she's dating, but who she thinks she is to herself. And after this great insight, the final scene is going to take place back in the hall, and Linda's going to talk to Susan again, and Linda's just going to look happier as a result of this. She's going to come around and she's going to be glowing and happy and just finally in love with herself. And at that moment, of course, Harold is going to notice, whoa, who is that person over there? And that's going to be the end of this movie. There's the scenes that I'll need. And a couple of quick notes about story planning. You're going to get new ideas as you shoot. More things are going to come to you as you shoot. This story plan is just an outline. It's your first idea, and as you're going, and especially as you're talking with your teacher, you'll probably get lots of new ideas that'll make the project better, new scenes you could add, new characters you could add, things that could improve this as you go. But it's important to sit down now and come out with this basic outline of the story so you at least know the structure of your story going forward. Perfectly normal to change these later.